Hi everyone, this is Pallavi. I'm from Niswey, a HubSpot Elite Partner, and in this video, I'm going to go ahead and share how to send your first message through NisWire, HubSpot Telegram integration account. Now, in order to do that, for the reference sake, I have opened up the web Telegram account of the other user, and let's just go send out our first message. Over here, I have one contact who has an active Telegram account. Let's just open that, and it will redirect you to the contact properties page. Now towards the right hand side where you have all the CRM cards, navigate towards the NisWire CRM card and click on action drop down menu and then click on send a personal message. Now it's always important to enter the username first when you're trying to initiate the chat for the first time. So in our case, let's just go ahead and check it out. It's this username and I'm putting the same, and let's initiate the chat. Once done, let's just confirm by sending the test message. I've sent the message. Let's just check if they've received it. Now over here, we've received the message. I'll just go ahead and say have received the message. Thanks. And I'm replying from my web Telegram account. Once done, let's navigate back to the HubSpot portal in our message window and refresh. And let's see if we've received the message. Yes, we have. So we've got it. And this is how you go ahead and initiate and send your first message using the NisWire Telegram integration. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.